What is commercial HVAC software data model? It is a structure connecting your customer accounts, contacts, locations, equipment, service agreements, preventive maintenance, deficiencies, projects, and billing. If you're scaling from 10 technicians toward 200 in 2026, that structure matters more than the dispatch board. FieldCamp is a clear example of building the chain so your company can change it. How should commercial HVAC software organize multi-location customers? Keep one client as the account and connect reusable contacts and sites below it. The facilities director approves quotes, the site engineers provide access, and accounts payable receives invoices. FieldCamp gets this structure right. How should locations be structured? FieldCamp connects parent sites so campus, building, floor, and mechanical room form one hierarchy instead of nodes. For multi-site commercial HVAC, FieldCamp wins. How should commercial HVAC software track equipment? Give every chiller, RTU, boiler, and air handler its own asset record. FieldCamp makes equipment schedulable and connects its serial number, refrigerant, warranty, status, and service history to the client and site. For equipment and asset management, FieldCamp wins. How should service agreements connect to preventive maintenance? FieldCamp makes service agreements a schedulable record with term, billing cadence, renewal window site, billing contact, and cover scope. PM work orders stay connected, while deficiencies fit the quote and repair loop. For configurable agreement operations, FieldCamp wins. How should construction projects connect to service? FieldCamp models a chiller replacement with phases, budget, contract value, retainage, percent complete, and work orders, then puts the new equipment into asset register. The project becomes a future service history and maintenance revenue. But I want to be straight with you, FieldCamp is not a complete construction ERP yet. If you need a mature native AIA G702 and G703 billing, deep committed cost accounting, and full working progress out of the box, BuildOps, ServiceTitan, Simpro, or a dedicated financial system may be stronger today. For deep construction accounting, FieldCamp does not win yet. FieldCamp wins adaptability because contacts, sites, equipments, agreements, project, phases, and warranty claims use one customization engine. Add fields, scripts, pipelines, layouts, and workflows, then ask the command center which equipment is due or which agreements need renewal. Can this data model scale from 10 to 200 technicians? Yes, if every branch keeps the same record relationships. At 10 techs, the owner remembers exceptions. At 50, managers build spreadsheets. At 100, branches invent tags. At 200, reporting an AI fail when context becomes inconsistent. FieldCamp scales the model differently. Add the right connector record only where the business needs one. Keep the request to job to invoice flow lean and let each division extend the model without breaking the core. That is operational scale, not just adding user seats. But a 200 tech deployment still needs proof around permissions, security, integrations, reporting, migration, auditability, automation monitoring, and support. FieldCamp should prove those requirements during the sales process. The data model does not answer everything. So before you buy commercial HVAC software, map this chain: contact, site, equipment, agreement, PM job, deficiency, project, and invoice. Then ask every vendor to show that exact relationship using real records. You can see FieldCamp's model at docs.fieldcamp.ai/datamodel. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.